Hey there, cats and kittens. The heroic, legendary demigod in this epic adventure is the subject of this week's movie review. Hercules, being the legendary hero of myth, has the freedom to have his origin tweaked and reimagined. And in this reimagining, his father is a very tyrannical ruler who lives for conquest. His mother is faithful to the Greek gods, and in order to free the world of this terrible man, Hera grants her wish and allows Zeus to impregnate the queen. And as a result, Hercules is born, but because it's not his son, the king is not nice, and his brother, Iphicles, is very jealous. So, there's some gladiator adventures, and Hercules has a journey of discovery. Now, this film has gotten tons of negative reviews. So you're thinking, oh no, please, no, save me from this awful film. But you know something? It's really not all that bad. It's an average film. Now, the lead actor who plays Hercules is extremely charismatic, and he holds his own on the screen. And honestly, I think he has a bright future ahead of him. The best acting in the film comes from the Queen. And she is sweet, nurturing, and very earnest. And she gives, in my mind, the best performance. Hercules' older brother, Iphicles, is kind of a craven character. He's good also, as is Hercules' love interest. She's very good. And lastly, the main villain, Hercules' stepfather, the king. He really is just very powerful and very masterful, and he makes a very compelling villain. The special effects are, they're pretty good, but the only thing I would say about this film is it was a film that really had a lot of promise, and really all it needed to be a fantastic film was a bigger budget. They had to take some shortcuts with some of the special effects, and that was pretty obvious. They made way too much use of slow-mo. There were so many slow-mo scenes that it was really distracting. But overall, you had these really wonderful action sequences and VFX scenes, and you're thinking, gosh, if I could have seen the Hercules of the last 20 minutes of this film throughout this entire film, this film would have been something really, really fun to see. So I can't recommend you go see it in the movie theater, but it's not as bad, in my opinion, as some people have said. So I'm going to give this film a C. Don't go rush out and see it in the movie theaters. Wait till it comes out, either streamed to your computer or rent it on DVD. What's that on my foot? Oh, it's a reminder that you should follow me on Pinterest and Twitter at Lord Coyote 2000. Have an awesome day, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.